The topic for class 12 as per syllabus it is as we have studied Mendelian disorders in humans. These were sickle cell anemia, phenylketonuria, cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, हेमोफीलिया ए एंड बी एंड कलर ब्लाइंडनेस. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो भी सिलेबस रिलेटेड आर autosomal and chromosomal disorders. First of all, we will take autosomal disorders. Autosomal disorders, it is a recessive hereditary disorder of autosomal nature which shows incomplete dominance at the RBC level and codominance at hemoglobin level. It is caused by the mutation of the gene controlling beta chain of hemoglobin. The gene is situated on the 11th chromosome. The mutated gene is called HBS. The wild type of gene is known as HBA, and HBS causes one change in the amino acid sequence of beta chain. It replaces glutamine present at the 6th position by amino acid valine. Hemoglobin S behaves like normal hemoglobin A, except under conditions of oxygen deficiency as during excessive exercise or at high altitude. Oxygen stress builds hydrophobic bonds between valine of hemoglobin S and other hemoglobin chains. This distorts hemoglobin structure. The erythrocytes lose their circular shape and become sickle-shaped. Membrane elasticity is lost. As a result, sickle-shaped erythrocytes are unable to pass through the blood capillaries. The blood capillaries are clogged. Blood supply to many vital organs is affected. Sickle-celled erythrocytes generate after some time, resulting in the deficiency of erythrocytes. The major effect of HBS is the formation of sickles or sickle-celled erythrocytes, clogging of blood capillaries, anemia, reduced blood supply to vital organs, jaundice, muscle cramps, headache, and damage to spleen, brain, and other vital organs are the side effects of HBS. So, what is sickle cell anemia? Sickle cell anemia it's an indication inside the normal erythrocytes are normal disorder in the autosomal nature which shows the incomplete dominance at RBC level. RBC level जो सेल्स होते हैं इनमें एक किस्म का एक स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है ड्यू टू डिफिशिएंसी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. तो उनका जो मतलब हुलिया है वो बिगड़ जाता है और बिल्कुल नेचर उनका जो है वो जस्ट लाइक सिकल हाफ मून जैसा. तो उस हाफ मून जैसा सेल बनने के बाद उसको दुश्वार होता है ब्लड कैपिलरीज में गुजर जाना, और वही है उससे क्या होता है क्या ब्लड कैपिलरीज दे गेट coagulated, anemia goes on, reduced blood supply to vital organ for example jaundice occurs, muscle cramps, headache, and damage to spleen. These are the side effects of the HBS. Now HBA and HBS are codominants. They affected individuals have normally except under oxygen stress. Rather, they are benefited in the malaria-prone areas as the malaria parasites are unable to feed and multiply inside